She left me because I didn't rinse the mug. You read that right. Not because I cheated. Not because I lied. Not because I forgot an anniversary or flirted with someone else. No, she left me because I didn't rinse the mug. This happened about a year ago. But I still think about it more than I'd like to admit. It was Tuesday. Ordinary, harmless Tuesday. I got up earlier than usual. I thought I'd surprise her with coffee. Alam ko kasi na may online meeting siya that morning. Tapos palaging inaabot ng alanganin sa breakfast. So I made her coffee. 2 sugars, konting gatas, no stirring, because she likes watching the swirl. I placed it beside her laptop, kissed her forehead, and whispered, "Good luck, love." She smiled. That slow, sleepy smile na parang, well, parang mahal pa rin ako. But there was something quieter about it. Like it was showing up out of habit, not feeling. That night, tahimik siya. Akala ko pagod lang. So I gave her space. Hindi ko siya kinulit. Hindi ko alam na yun na pala yung huling gabi na may kami pa. The next morning, she said we needed to talk. No warning. No signs. Just that line that splits timelines, before and after. I can't do this anymore. My world stopped. Of course it did. So I asked why. And she said it. Because I didn't rinse the mug. Akala ko joke. I even laughed. Sabi ko, ha? Yung mug? Yung kape kahapon? She said yes. That I always leave things almost done. Laging may kulang. And that she got tired of trying to love someone who only ever meets her halfway. And just like that, it all unraveled. Apparently, the mug wasn't just a mug. Tea was the last drop in a cup I didn't know I'd been filling with my failures. I didn't rinse the mug. I forgot to send that playlist she asked for. I always left my socks near the laundry basket, not in it. I said later too many times and I'm tired too often. I miss the details. The ones that mattered to her. So yeah, she left me because I didn't rinse the mug. And I used to think that was absurd. Petty, even. But now I get it. Because love isn't always loud. Sometimes, it's in the small things. And when you keep neglecting the small things, you make them feel that the little parts of them don't matter either.